Okay, so we're gonna unbox it na. This is my first gift. Ding! From James. Ta-da! Flowers. What's this? Flowers. Phone case. I think there are two phone cases. Phone. Ding, ding. iPhone 17. Ah! Makeover pa siya. Later ka na. And then, this one, mini wall charger. Fast charging. Then, this is from Ate Alvic. Thank you for the book. And then, this one is from, I don't even know. Walang name. May headband. Uy, puro gold. Ang ganda. Tapos, ay. Ta-da! Winterberry Onyx. Foaming body scrub. Thank you. Okay. What's next? One. Ting, ting, ting. Daming bonbon. Ooh, parang bag siya. Isabella Scott. Okay, thank you. This one. Laura Ashley. Little canister. Tea, coffee, sugar. There we go. Laura Ashley. Thank you. Next. Pink bag. Wow! Rhino! That's so cute! Kanino to galing? So cute. You like it, Bebe? There's more! Uy, may damit! Ganda, parang sweater. Out of office. Tama yan, tama yan. Correct, correct. Ganda. Uy, meron pa. May shorts pang swimming. Oh, net siya. Ganda, thank you. Malaman natin kung yan galing. My card. Ting, ting. Always love you. Oh, Audrey, we're your favorite person, my friend ever. Always love you, guys. Okay, next. Thank you. Oh, return na to kasi napakabigat. Okay, ito tayo. Have fun. Have fun with candles. Ooh. Ding, ding. What's this? Soothing body butter. Toasted marshmallow. Exfoliating. Thank you. Thank you. Yung color niya ang ganda. Parang Tiffany's. Oh, ito na ang pinakamabigat sa lahat. The heaviest of them all. Dude, what is this? Thank you. This is the heaviest. Oh, I think this is from Ate Avic. Because I remember I asked her for this magazine because I am marketing my coffee brand. So I'm pretty sure it's advertised here. Oh, there it is. Ding, 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 ding. Manzonbrew.com. You see that? QR code. We are in a magazine. Okay, next. What's this? Is this another book? Why is it so heavy? Thank you. Ooh, bunga! Really? Cast iron grill pan! Oh my gosh, thank you so much! You like it? 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 This is mine. Oh, she knows I cook a lot. Thank you, Auntie Avic. You're the best. Thank you. Ang ganda. Ang bigat talaga. Lumaki lalo yung muscle ko. Wait, there's more. Meron pa tayo dito cards. Ting, ting, ting. Okay, tingnan natin kung kanina galing ang ating card. How cute. On your birthday. And always, you are loved lots. Oh, this is from Terry. Hope you feel it. Know it and never ever forget it. Love, Terry. Thank you, Terry. This one is from Ate Tess. For someone very special. Oh, Amazon gift cards. Thank you, Auntie Des. You're the best. Shopping galore. Shopping galore. Thank you.